Morning and hello students. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your English teacher, and today we are going to start part 2 of the story chapter number 1, The Tortoise and the Hare. But before starting this part, we will recall that what we have learned in part 1. In part 1 we have seen that hare make fun of tortoise. So the tortoise became angry and decided to have race between both of them, and this race will decide who is fast and slow. So first we will come to our reading part. Students, put the finger where I'm reading. Ha ha ha, laughed hare. What a joke. Crow heard them and told all the forest animals about the race. So all the animals lined up the course to see the runners. Monkey waved the green flag and the race began. Hare ran at full speed and soon left the tortoise far behind. After she had run halfway through the course, she stopped. It will take the tortoise a long time to reach here. I will have a little nap in the meantime, said hare, and sat down under a tree and dozed off. In the meantime, tortoise kept moving slowly. It took him a long time to reach the tree under which hare was fast asleep. Slowly, tortoise passed hare and kept moving. Now, once did she stop or rest? Not once did she stop or rest on the way. All the animals were surprised when they saw not hare but tortoise reaching the finishing line. In the meantime, hare had woken up feeling rested. When she looked back and couldn't see tortoise, she said to herself, I am sure tortoise will take a long time to reach here. I might as well take my own time and complete the race. So hare began to move in a leisurely pace and after a while reached the finishing line. Imagine what a shock she got when she saw the tortoise had already reached the finishing line before her. Tortoise was waving to the crowd and all the animals were cheering the winner. She felt ashamed. Never again did hare make fun of tortoise. The story teaches us that slow but steady wins the race. Now students, we will come to our explanation part. Hare always laughed at the tortoise, so they both decided to have the race. When the tortoise and the hare was talking, a crow is there who had listened everything, and the crow told all the forest animals about the race. All the forest animals gathered to see the race in the forest. Monkey waved the flag and the race started. Hare ran with full speed and complete half of the path, and she stopped and think that the tortoise was left back, and it takes a lot of time for her to come at this point, so had decided to take a short sleep under a tree. Time passes, the hare was sleeping, but the tortoise keep moving and passes away from the point without taking the rest to reach the finishing line. All the animals surprised at how tortoise reached at the finishing line first. Hare woke up and see back, but the tortoise was not there. So he thinks that she is back and yet not reached at this point. So Hare decided to complete the further path till the finishing line. When the hare reached at the finishing line, she gets shocked about the turtle that tortoise is already there before the hare. All the animals are cheering for tortoise because she has finished the race first. Hare felt ashamed and then never make fun of the tortoise. Now we will take a short in the summary of this story. एक कछुआ और खरगोश एक जंगल में रहते थे। कछुआ हमेशा खरगोश की मजाक उड़ाया करता था। तो एक दिन खरगोश और कछुए ने अपने बीच दौड़ लगाने की तय किया ताकि ये पता लगाया जा सके कि कौन तेज है और कौन धीरे दौड़ता है। जंगल के सारे जानवर दौड़ देखने के लिए जंगल में इकट्ठा हुए। बंदर ने हरी झंडी दिखाकर दौड़ की शुरुआत की। खरगोश भागने लगा, बहुत तेज भागा और कछुए को बहुत ही पीछे छोड़ आया। उसने सोचा इस दौड़ को तो वो ही जीतेगा, इसलिए कछुए के आने तक वह कुछ देर एक पेड़ के नीचे हरी नरम घास पर आराम करने लग गया। कछुआ धीरे धीरे खरगोश को पार कर गया। जब खरगोश की नींद खुली और जब वह रेस की फिनिशिंग लाइन पर पहुंचा तो उसने देखा कि कछुआ तो पहले ही वहां पहुंच चुका है और वह रेस को जीत भी चुका है। तो इस स्टोरी से आपको यह मॉरल मिलता है कि जो स्लो और स्टडी विंस द रेस। दैट मीन्स जो स्लो और स्टडी किसी काम को बिल्कुल अपने मन से और कंटिन्यू करता है वही जीतता है। So, moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. The tortoise won because he was determined and did not stop a second. क्योंकि tortoise इसलिए जीता क्योंकि वह कंटिन्यू अपनी जो उसका काम था उसने किया, वो एक बार भी उसने रेस्ट नहीं किया। The hare lost because he was overconfident and had taken his win to granted. हर इसलिए नहीं जीता क्योंकि वो रेस्ट करने लग गया, एज वेल एज उसको घमंड था कि मैं ही जीतूंगा, कोई और मुझे हरा नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो सबसे फास्ट दौड़ता है। इसलिए हमेशा अपने काम को भले ही स्लो कर रहे हो बट स्टडी बिल्कुल कंटिन्यू करते रहिए, उसे कभी रोकना नहीं। Now we will come to students some hard words. These are the hard words. First is course, the area prepared for racing. ऐसा एरिया जो प्रिपेयर किया गया है for racing, that is called course. Nap, a short sleep. छोटी सी बिल्कुल शॉर्ट सी स्लिप लेना, एकदम से झपकी लेना, that is called as nap. Dozed off. falling into a light sleep, छोटी सी स्लिप में, बिल्कुल लाइट सी स्लिप में सोना, गहरी नींद नहीं, बिल्कुल लाइट स्लिप. leisurely, without making hurry, जल्दी ना करते हुए अपने वर्क को करना. finishing line, the line which shows the point where the race ends, ऐसी लाइन जो हमें ये बताती है कि रेस जहाँ पर एंड हो रही है, that is called as finishing line. Now students, thanks for watching this video. If there is any query or doubt, you can freely ask to me. Have a nice day students. Take care.